This video will show you how to fix Google sending verification prompts to a phone you don't own. When we try to log into our YouTube Studio account, this message popped up. Verify it's you. To continue, we need to confirm it's really you. The extra layer of security helps keep your account safe. When we click on Next, we are asked to check our Google Pixel 6 Pro phone. We are to tap on Yes, and then tap the display number on the phone. The problem is we don't have a Pixel 6 Pro phone. All we have is a Samsung Galaxy A04 phone. We checked the A04, but didn't receive any prompt from Google. We've been receiving Google's prompts through the Samsung Galaxy A04 phone before this. So we clicked on More Ways to Verify. We were given the option to tap Yes on our phone or tablet. We'll choose Use your phone or tablet to get a security code. Hopefully, we receive the security code through the phone we currently own. We are asked to check the Google Pixel Pro phone. Since we don't have the phone, we'll check the Samsung Galaxy A04 phone to see if we receive the code. We followed the listed steps. We didn't receive the code on the phone. So the next step is we'll try recovering our account through other means. We'll do this through accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. We enter our email account and click Next. We're given some options to sign in. We chose a Gmail account verification code. We enter the code sent to the email account. Instead of logging into the account, we are given three options. Tap Yes on your phone and tablet. Enter an 8-digit backup code, which we don't have. So we select another way to sign in. We get a message asking us to check our email after 120 hours. That is after 5 days. Google needs to verify that the account really belongs to us. We can wait or try signing in again. So we try. We are given the same prompt as before. This time we'll try entering our password. We'll try to tap on your phone option. We hope the verification is sent to our current phone. We receive the verification notice on our phone and tap the number. We are signed in, but Google has detected some suspicious activity, whatever that means. We click on Continue. It looks like we are logged into our account now. However, when we log into YouTube Studio, we get the same Verify It's You message again. We're asked to verify on the phone that we don't have. We know we aren't going to get anywhere with this, so we look for another way to solve the issue. So we go to Manage Your Google account. Then we go to Security. Under Security, we go to the How You Sign In to Google section. Over here, we click on Google Prompt, which says 4 devices. We are asked to enter the password. We are now brought to our Google Prompt devices. Google Pixel Pro, the phone we don't own, is listed and added over 600 days ago. We click on Manage Devices. On Your Devices page, we go to Google Pixel Pro, the phone we don't have. We click on Sign Out. After we are successfully signed out, we try signing into YouTube Studio again. Again, we are asked to verify. This time, we are asked to enter our phone number to verify. We then enter the SMS code sent to the phone. We are now successfully logged into the YouTube Studio account, and the verification message does not pop up again. That's how to fix Google sending verification prompts to a phone you don't own.
Simply click the link below to learn more.